The objective of our project is to develop a prototype of a device for non-invasive preventive cleaning of the shunts implanted in the brain of patients of hydrocephalus. Hydrocephalus is a prevalent neurosurgical condition. It affects mainly children, 1 out of every 1,000, and the elderly, 1 out of every 200 persons over 65 years. Treatment of hydrocephalus usually requires the surgical placement of a shunt system composed of a valve and a catheter to drain the excess of cerebrospinal fluid. However, shunt systems become obstructed, clogged by protein and other debris, resulting in a severe, life-threatening emergency. This is a very frequent complication. Virtually all patients undergo some complication within 10 years of the implantation of the valve. We plan to achieve acoustic cleaning of implanted shunts by controlled cavitation produced by focused ultrasound beams. The process will be monitored in real time by multispectral imaging, including thermal infrared imagery. We will use artificial intelligence algorithms to adapt for the specific features of each patient. This project is coordinated by the University of Seville in Spain, and our partners are the Technological Corporation of Andalusia and clinical researchers from University Hospital Virgen del Rocío and the Institute of Biomedicine of Seville in Spain.